In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code for Laravel. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to get started with Claude Code within your Laravel project, ensuring you are set up properly to utilize its features. To begin, open PowerShell on your computer. You can do this by searching for PowerShell in your Start menu and selecting the application from the results. Once PowerShell is open, navigate to your Laravel project directory. You will do this by typing cd, see your project folder, and pressing, make sure to replace your project folder with the actual path of your Laravel project folder. If you do not have Laravel installed yet, you will need to create a new project. First, type composer create project Laravel/Laravel my app and hit. This command will download Laravel and set up a new project in a folder named my app. After the installation completes, navigate into this new project by typing cd my app and pressing. At this point, you are now inside your Laravel application. Next, ensure that Claude Code is installed on your system. To check this, type Claude-version in PowerShell and press enter. If Claude Code is correctly installed, you will see a version number appear in the terminal. If you receive a message stating that is not recognized, this indicates that the installation did not complete successfully and you will need to reinstall it. Once you've confirmed that Claude Code is installed, you will need to log in. Type Claude login and press enter. This action will open your default web browser. Follow the prompts in the browser to log in to your account. This login process only needs to be completed once. So after this step, you will not have to repeat it. Now, you are ready to start using Claude Code within your Laravel folder. Make sure you are still within your Laravel project directory in PowerShell. Type Claude and press enter. If everything is functioning as expected, you should see the interactive mode open, indicating that Claude Code is now active and ready for use. At this stage, you can begin issuing commands to Claude Code. For example, you can create a product model with migration by typing the appropriate command. You may also create a product controller with CRUD operations or troubleshoot errors, such as fixing a route not defined error. Simply type your desired command and press enter to execute it.